In May 2020, our beloved Peter's Rest Seventh-day Adventist Church was tragically lost to a fire. But today, we have a chance to rise from the ashes together. This Sunday, November 24th, from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., join us for a virtual praise telethon on Facebook and YouTube. Let's raise $100,000 or even reach our super goal of $500,000 to rebuild our church. Imagine a renewed place of worship, a center of love and hope, standing tall once more for generations to come. Get ready for an unforgettable day of music, inspiration, and faith. Every dollar brings us closer to rebuilding what we've lost. To give, call us at 340-773-4564 or any of the other numbers that you see on screen. Scan the PayPal or Zelle QR code, mail in your donation, or drop it off in person. Mark your calendar, Sunday, November 24th, from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Peter's Rest SDA Church's Facebook and YouTube. Don't miss this chance to make a difference. Let's rebuild together. Let's come home.